All right, that's right, innovators. Today you will be able to add reasoning to your body paragraphs. Please write down this objective in your notes. So what is reasoning and why do we need it? In our essay so far, we have done really like the hard stuff. In our essay, we have made a thesis and then we have made a claim for each body paragraph. We have supported the claim with at least 2 pieces of evidence from a text that prove that our claim is strong. And now we're moving on to the reasoning part. Reasoning is where you use your own words to explain how the evidence you listed supports your claim. You cannot write a body paragraph, you cannot write an informative essay or really any type of essay without following this structure. Claim, evidence, reasoning. Say it. Claim, evidence, reasoning. So, reasoning how-to are 3 really simple steps. Step 1, reread your claim. Step 2, reread the evidence. Step 3, answer 1 or more of the questions in the reasoning box. And by that I mean in your informative essay outline. So here are 3 questions that you can choose to answer. Option 1, what does this evidence mean? Option 2, how does this piece of evidence support your claim? And 3, why did you choose to include it? So now I'm going to model. This is my informative essay outline. I've just put it on a PowerPoint. But what you will be doing is writing in this box. In your informative essay outline, you have your thesis, you have your claims, you have your evidence, and today you will be working in these boxes, the reasoning box. So if you take a look at my steps I'm going to model right now, I'm going to reread the claim. So here's my thesis statement. Here's the claim for my body paragraph. This is the part I need to reread. People migrate when genies give them 3 wishes. Okay, step 1 is complete. Step 2, reread the evidence. Okay, which evidence did I choose to support this claim? According to Magic Mania, the Monsoon family migrated from Reno, Nevada to Saudi Arabia in the year 4025. A terrible event occurred in which a fireball shot down from Mars and flew toward Earth. Reno was about to burst into flames, putting all humans in danger. Thankfully, a magic genie approached and offered all people in Reno 3 wishes if they left. The people of Reno accepted this offer and decided to migrate to Saudi Arabia. They hopped on a rocket and traveled there in 30 minutes. That's 1 piece of evidence. Second, in addition, due to not finding work and a genie being present on planet Earth, the Kryptonians migrated from Krypton to Earth in the year 2022. All right, step 2 is complete. I reread the evidence. Now step 3 is I'm really just going to answer 1 or more of the questions. So here I go. As I do this, oopsies. As I do this, I want to think about why I chose this evidence. So in my claim, I'm really saying something about genies being the reason why people migrate, and that's a strong claim. Now I chose this evidence because both of these pieces of evidence mention genies. Genie. And here again, a genie. So I might just start answering one of these questions. What does this evidence mean? How does this evidence support your thesis? Actually, that should say claim. Why did you choose to include it? So I will simply start by saying in both of these examples of human migration, a genie was at the center of the push and pull factors. The Monsoon family and the Kryptonians demonstrate the power that a genie can have over our migration choices. See, I really just kind of answer it with 1 or 2 sentences, okay? All that I did was exactly this. I just chose one of the questions to answer. In this case, I answered these actually last two. There's so many other ways to do this. I can explain what this evidence means for someone that might not understand. And here's really 4 criteria for success. How to be awesome at this. I can't repeat it enough. You got to follow these 4 criteria for success. Number 1, a lot of people just repeat the claim. So what someone might do if they're not used to it is they might just say, this shows that people migrate, and then they would just copy this claim, and that is not at all what you want to do. No, 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 no. Instead, you want to add your own thoughts, and you want to write in complete sentences, more than one sentence. And number 4 is don't be afraid to think outside the box. When it comes to reasoning, you are your own original thinker and author. You are not just copying and pasting evidence. You are not just giving a one-sentence claim. You are answering these questions, but feel free to answer them as you see fit. And that is the end of this lesson. Go ahead and for next steps, answer the questions after this lesson to make sure you understand and get some practice. And then go ahead and add reasoning to your body paragraph.